Hi, doctor. I'm just sending you the picture of the rash that is in my system right now, that what's going on, so that you can see it more fully. Yeah, thank you. Hi, Dr. Herman. I just wanted to show you the after results of basically the allergy that I experienced. So I wanted to let you know that this is it, and this is a testimony of basically completely, like healing. And thank you so much for everything. Thank you. Yes, I was desperate trying to find a treatment for my skin rash. And I'm so glad I found you. Thank you.
Thank you. And you're glad you found me because the rash is now
Because the rash is gone.
gone.
Yes.
How long did you have that rash for?
I think it was about 4 or 5 months, but it was pretty intense, pretty severe. It wasn't letting me do things, allowing me to sleep. I had inflammation and pain. I call it pain because it was itchy and it was getting worse and worse, I
Had
would
you
say. Maybe after the 10th day, I in the middle of the protocol. It just super easy, just one drop, and yeah, no side effects whatsoever. I would say give it a try if you have tried so many things and you're desperate. This is a really good treatment. It's a natural approach, and I think that Dr. Herman is doing tremendous things to impact people's life. And I just, that's the reason I wanted to give this testimony. And I'm so glad I found you